Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm on my way to show you all nature views. Here comes Blue Water Well in our area. Blue Water Well is surrounded by greenery plants. It's Ayman and some of my cousins was having wash. They all were having a good time. Behind the blue water well, we can see a stream flows into a paddy field. Long before farmers were planting paddy, but it's no more to see nowadays. We only can see buffaloes having their food at the field. Next day morning, I planted corn seeds. Then I was cleaning the garden. My brother Ayman was having Zoom class. Later on we played cricket and many more games. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and give your comments.